What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video I will teach you one of the popular song now in Hong Kong. This is called Ignited by a popular group called Mirror. So yeah, this is another version. They have a funky version and this one is Too Hot to Handle. This is the chorus dance choreography of the original music video. So I have additional like 2/8 or 3/8 in after chorus. So yeah, let's start. Alright, let's start. So we're gonna go 1 and 2. Let's try with the count. But if not, we just ta 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 ta. Say 7 and it goes like ta ta ta. At the same time, ta ta ta. So 7 and la 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 dip. Yes. So 5, 6, 7 and up first stay. I forgot to tell you. Like Tarzan. 7 and la 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 ha, and you're gonna go swing like that and swing ha, but you're gonna go left and right for the break. 7 from here up, ta ra ra cha cha cha, then jump. One more time. So 5, 6, 7. This is very short. 7 up, la 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 ta ra ra la. Okay, next you're gonna go boom, ha. At the same time, hit, hit. So your heel out, out. Okay, 7 and back, ha. Side, side, down. Down your left, your right is here. So 6, 7, clap, hit, ta, ta, ha. Then side, side. Open straight to the back. So your right back, open. One more time. From here, 7, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Yeah, like taking picture. But you don't do this, huh? Like this. Okay, let's try from the top first. 6, 7, 8. La 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 ha ha cha ra ra la. Back, front, side, close, ha to the back, open and side. Hope you got that one. Later we will play music, but we gotta slow it down. From here, copy. Next. So put your left to the front from here. At the same time, your hand up, down. 6, 7, and up, down. Next side. Hop. Put your weight to your right. You're gonna straight it, straight and side. One more time. Which part? Maybe. Let's do it from the beginning, yes. We don't know how when to start. So 6, 7 and la 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 ta ra ra. Back, back, front, side. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Alright, then side, side and down. So if you notice, we don't have counting. It's really hard to count. So hope if you know the song, it's easy for you. It's the chorus part. La 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 la. So let's try one more time. A bit faster this time. 6, 7 and la 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 ta ra ra. Ta 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 to the back. Ha. Ta ra 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 ha. Okay, the next one is easy. You just 1, 2, 3. Just like you're pulling something, like a door on the old ting, ting. Like that. So from here, you show hip, hip, hip. 3 times. 7 and hit, ha, ha, then jump. From here, 6, 7, and hit, jump. Next, front left, right, back, then cross, including your hand, and side. Then isolation, you hear sa, sa, boom. Then ad-lib, and slow up and down. Okay, so the timing here, we really don't know. I think 4 counts. One more time. Let's go from here. So 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, tap, tap, and ad-lib. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning, that's the whole chorus. So the next 2 8s or 3 8s are my original choreography. Alright? Let's start from the beginning. Chorus only. 6, 7, and la 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 ha ha ta da da ha. Back ta ta da ta ta. Side to the side. Ha. Hit ta 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 ha ta da da. Ta ha. Ho ho ha ha. Sa jump. Pa ta ta ho up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Very good. Next, this one single count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is with half N. 5. This is up and 5, 7, and 8. We missed number 6. One more time. 7 and ad-lib, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the head, and 6. This is 7 and 8. One more time. Clarification. 7, 8 single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 front, 7 and 8. Almost. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like brush. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ad-lib. 5, 6, 7, and finish. Yes. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2. Chest. 4. Way. 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. 4, 6, 7, and release. Good job. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. La 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 la. Ta ta da da. Clap. Back. Side. Ta da da da. Ta da da. And move. Ta da da ta ta. Ta da da. Ta 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 ha ta 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 ha. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Chest. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ad-lib. 6, 7, and 4. Good job. Try music. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.